Hello class. After quite a few people had a question about how to turn in homework, I thought it would be good to make a video just so everyone was able to see the ways in which we can turn in homework. I am currently using Miss Brenna's science class as a student so that you guys can see, I can show you something similar to what you will see. So Miss Brenna has something set up similarly to us. I was going to show you the three different ways in which we can turn in something. So one way is to view an assignment that's just a normal assignment. So we're going to go into this check-in one for her. I like to do view assignment. She is asking her students to fill out a questionnaire, a Google form, which will take us to a new tab, and we simply just fill out how we're feeling, and then we hit submit when we're done. So once we do that, let me fill mine out real fast. So Max, I'm 22. I'm excited. I'm excited. And let's say, ask if Miss Brenna has any pets. So, once I hit submit, it allows me to click on, oh, 1 second, I gotta switch accounts here. So it allows me to view assignment details. So it has turned in my work for me. Now I believe if I go back to here, yeah. So I don't have to hit mark as done. As soon as I hit submit, it is all finished for me. So that's what happens if there is a questionnaire or quiz tab. If you see a assignment like believe this one, nope, where it's a question like this one. So this is the question Miss Brenna asks is, what is one thing about you that not a lot of people know? We can simply type in our answers here and say, I have an older brother. Now that's something most people do know about me, but just for argument's sake, you simply hit turn in, and that work is turned in perfectly fine. There is one more type that I hope I can find. Here it is, classroom expectations. Some assignments you will have your own Google Docs. So this says it was created just for me, and it's Max and Lube expectations worksheet. So Miss Brenna wanted me to just fill this out as soon as I choose to finish the worksheet, so I may type whatever else, I can hit turn in. And it's going to make me switch back to my right account. Turn in. Now, that turns it in right away, just like we just saw, rather than the other ways that we have shown turning in assignments. So those are the three main ways that we can turn in assignments. If you have any other questions after that, please let me know.